Tension in Dallas is still high right now, and at this point, police are working to make sure everyone is accounted for and are also trying to put down false fears of an active shooter. Our Aaron Jones is live there right now. And Aaron, in the latest update we just received just a few hours ago, we learned it was actually a fight and a loud noise that led to all this panic.
That's right, but still a very scary situation here. The cheer moms that we spoke to, they describe it as just mass pandemonium. They say that they got an email about 5 o'clock, so about an hour ago, saying that that cheer competition will start back up here at the convention center tomorrow morning. And you can see here behind me, they don't have anywhere to practice, the cheerleaders, so they're here just outside the convention center practicing. Now, all of this happened around 1 p.m. There were tens of thousands of people inside the Kay Bailey Hutchison Convention Center when a fight broke out between two people. Police tell us that this led to multiple poles being knocked down, and some people thought they heard shots and started running. Police evacuated the center and set up reunification sites nearby. And tonight, DFR tells us that 10 people were taken to the hospital for injuries that range from scrapes to bruises and fractures. But thankfully, nothing life-threatening. Tonight, parents and their kids telling us what they went through.
I tripped and I had people step on me, and then I ran like a mile past the Alamo Cinema. Wait, like a mile past that, and I hid in a dumpster.
She was in all-out panic trying to find me, and she kept saying, I'm outside, I'm outside. We were still inside, but we saw people running everywhere. It was just mayhem. It was crazy.
And the parents and cheerleaders tell us that they were shaken by this whole experience, but they're still trying to make the most of it.
Yeah, Aaron, and have you heard anything from the NCA, who, of course, as we know, organized this event? Have they said anything about all of this chaos and what they're doing?
Well, Amelia, they sent us a statement right after the incident happened, and they said as a precaution, they decided to suspend activities for today, and they will continue to work with event staff and local authorities to ensure that a safe environment is there when the cheerleaders return to the event. They also say that the NCA security officials are working with law enforcement to quickly investigate these reports. And again, just parents and cheerleaders tonight telling us that they're thankful that no one was seriously injured. Reporting live, Aaron Jones, CBS News, Texas.
Yep, at the end of the day, we know that this was very traumatizing, but thankfully no one was hurt. Thank you so much, Aaron, for that live report. And as Aaron said, this all happened during the NCA All-Star Cheerleading Championship, which we know is a national championship. It's very big. And so when we spoke to the organization earlier this week, they told us it was supposed to be their biggest year yet here in Dallas. More than 30,000 athletes, some 3,700 coaches, equaling to an estimated 58,000 attendees. So with all of that said, you can imagine how difficult an evacuation can be with a crowd that big. Videos you see right there on your screen posted on social media and sent to us actually show those crowds running through the streets, partly probably after that fight broke out. Now this video shows you can see those people clearly running away from the convention center. This baby stroller you see right there abandoned on the sidewalk. You can see bags littering the hallways, also abandoned. Then also this next video will show families hugging each other after being reunited. So you can definitely get a sense there from those videos of all of the chaos and all of the panic that broke out shortly after all of this ensued. So